Okay, we have some incoming bullish vibe coming. It's a bullish vibe, and if I should take this off, there's a bullish vibe coming. And what can you see here? An ascending triangle. So and I know gold just love W patterns. Gold hardly finish a complete, what's it called? Gold hardly finishes a complete this ascending triangle. Are you getting it? But I don't know. Maybe sluggishness of what is happening to Euro USD and GBP USD can make go. But right now, know that we have a complete what? We have an ascending triangle, which is a bullish continuation pattern. But I really love for it to just do its normal W pattern, break, change character, retest, reclaim 1940 area, and continue going. Or the drill. Does not concern us, no emotions attached. Or the drill. What's the drill? That's what I love for continue, breaking. It depends on the volatility, or the fundamentals coming soon. Or change character to the downside, retest, and continue going down. So as it stands right now, so hope you know your levels now. These are your levels we have right now. Your levels is that we cannot break above and change character to the upside. So no matter the analysis that we've done in the past, the market can switch anytime. You know that. So remember, we'll have these ascending triangle from the daily. I say ascending triangle. We have this falling wedge that has become the daily structure right now. So it will be very sweet if we can get, this is where we are right now. So, and what is this? This is a falling, is a flag. You can call it a falling wedge at first. Are you getting it? Or you can call it a bullish flag, which is a rally base rally. So you can call it a bullish flag. It can be called a bullish flag. Are you getting it? That breaks out and continue going. So these are confluences, the support and resistance, and the flag itself you can see, or your what's it called? But they are all bullish continuation patterns. They are all bullish continuation patterns. So we have a falling wedge, is a bullish continuation pattern, and is bringing forth an ascending triangle right now. So 1940, there's no point of me buying because just 50 pips to the upside, and we're in a very, very big resistance zone. Not just this ascending triangle resistance zone. It dates way back, up the way back to this, support and resistance. You can see. So this is a resistance zone. It's not a good time to buy, and these daily candles are just too green. So I can't, the close yesterday there was not even week yesterday, so I cannot even sell sentimentally. I cannot sell. So as it stands, let it break above, change character to the upside. Everything is just here. Let me show you that what I'm expecting on USJPY happened on USJPY. So let me show you the structure on USJPY months ago. I think months ago. Is it months ago? Let me show you the structure on USJPY. So you can see the structure on USJPY. Something like that happened months ago. I think January. Yeah. Can you see it? This is what happened. We waited for the breakout. I guess in it, and we traded this breakout. We traded this breakout all the way to the upside, which we cashed out. So we traded this breakout, waited for the retest. Are you getting it? So we traded this breakout. So the breakout is complete right now on USJPY. That's what you're seeing, that it wants to find a means to come down, and you can see that it was bullish, but it's so sluggish right now. So this exhaustion happening on USJPY right now. So have we gotten to the top yet for us to come back? So you can just use a multi-asset to find out what's going on, because right now USGPY of this ascending triangle has gotten to its destination. So on the lower time frame, if you have wanted to trade this, you still see same thing happening also on USGPY structure. So what was the structure? I'm trying to show you the structure of the Farley chart that I was showing you right now. That was the structure. Loading. Okay, look at it at the bottom here. So this market was what? Coming down. If you can see, this market got exhausted here. The same thing that is happening now. Came back up and formed an ascending triangle that broke out, retested. And what happened? I guess it. And what happened? The market moved to complete this descending triangle, break and retest. So if you carry this, you see that it got to target also. So short patterns are there to help you solidify your bias. So I was just looking at the market. I just said, okay, let me do a phone analysis, a quick analysis. I'll upload this for you guys to see. So this is how the market drives. So I'm just trying to show you what happens. So after getting to that particular destination or the central, what happens? The market will reverse back to the support where it came from. So you should look at this very well. This was the previous one we had. I guess in the previous ascent triangle we had, and the market came back after completing this ascent triangle, came back to support again, found support and changed character again here. I guess and see what happened when it came back. What happened? It came back with a double bottom, which is a bullish continuation pattern, broke to the upside, retested, I guess, and broke structure again. So is that what we're expecting for gold? We don't know yet. So anyway it breaks to, we wait for a retest and follow up. That was what brought back this rise. Are you getting it? Look at, that was what broke back in the change of character back to the upside. That was why broke back this one, and we tested again. We'll continue going. So I'm just showing you how the market moves using short patterns and price action patterns to move. So this was the Farley. So that was a totally daily structure that built on the higher time frame. So the Farley will help you, run and swing the what's it called? Swing the price action patterns. I get it. So where are we right now? If I was on USGPY, since I would have taken this trade from 136 or 139, 137 all the way to 140, 136 to 146, or 137 to 147. That's about 10,000 pips. It did all the way from July 20th all the way to where we are right now, September, almost September 20th. That's many 4 months, 10,000 pips for position traders. So the market itself, we always follow the price action pattern. So what you just need to do as a trader is to find out whatever is going on in the market. I get me. So right now my trade is being invalidated, just 30 pips away from invalidating or breaking even my trade. So I think for us, me seeing this, how many days of bullishness, 1 2 3, today is the 4th day and it's still going up, I'll set my trade at break even and just let this one go. That's how it is, how trading is. So we are at a very important resistance zone right now. And what's the first resistance zone? This bearish pressure trend line from the upside is a resistance zone. Then we have the 1940 support and resistance zone again. So two confluences that we have right now that must break before we become bullish again. And the moment we break this to the upside, break this particular place to the upside. Now I'm giving you a lot of confidences now. The moment we're breaking this to the upside, I guess in it, this resistance to the upside, I guess in it, that means we've broken out. First of all, number one, we're broken out of a falling wedge. Number two, we're broken out of an ascending triangle. Number three, we have changed character to the upside, then coming back to retest that ascending triangle. I guess in also retesting the falling wedge. I guess in those are two bullish patterns. Then we'll find an entry upon that support again. The third one is Now resistance becoming turning support. That's the third confluence. The fourth confluence will be changing character to the upside, then retracing back to 0.382 or 0.5, or just retracement zone. Are you getting it there? Find turning to support number four confluences, and we'll take our then look for a bullish candlestick pattern that will happen around these areas. Then we'll take our trade, put our stop loss like at least 100 to 200 pips below it, and take our first trade. And our first trade will be from this phase, like I showed you on USGPY just now. Our first phase will be to 1986, back to where we came from, back to this major resistance. That will be our first one. I get it, back to this major resistance again. Then find resistance at that major place. You can see that the market is clean. I guess, and then finding a way to come back down again to find demand at these demand zones. Then we'll continue breaking to the upside again. That's how the market moves. You saw the way USGPY moved just now. That's just how the market moves. So you have to have all this, your short patterns and your price action patterns. Apply your market structure knowledge, apply your experience, look at the fundamental news before entering at that particular day, but structure prevails. So use your higher time frame structures and leave your lower time. Your lower time frame structures are for you to swing what is going to happen in anticipating what is going to happen in the market, while your higher time frame structures are there to solidify whatever is happening in the market. And if we are able to break above that, are you getting it? Then the following wedge will take profit will come, and the following wedge take profit will start from here. So that means it will take us back to where we started from. Are you getting it? It will take us back to that the previous high. We will had all these highs. Are you getting it? We will have the previous high. We will have those previous high. Then go and take everybody out at 2016. So that's why you see that even before we start swinging, are you getting it? And we'll say that our target is 2060 or something like that. You should know that the phase, it moves in phases, and these are the phases I've just explained to you with this chart. This is the following wedge. Just imagine that we'll put this following wedge here is exactly going back to where the previous high to take to take this high out. Then after taking those high out, like I did on my video yesterday, before take all those eye out before we can find a means of coming back or doing an ABC move back to the downside, then continue trending to the upside. So the market moves in waves, and these are the waves I've just explained to you right now. If a bullish market starts from now, if a bullish market does not start, what happens? We are going down, but the entire market right now is screaming what? Bullish, 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 bullish as it stands until we are unable to break above 1940, giving me a bearish engulfing candle, a bearish short pattern. Then I will know that I have to take a trade from $1940 area, 1936 to $1940 area. I told you from 1939 to $1940 area where I'm expecting my resistance, but there are no sellers in this market. And my MACD, which is my sixth, my RSI is in above 50, which means that the market is bullish. I guess my RSI broke 1950. I guess in a 50 point area as of 1920, giving us a morning star. So right now, as long as now, let me give you another confluence now. The moment you see that your RSI is above 50, that market has entered a bullish phase. And what is our MACD saying? Our MACD is turning bullish right now. See the same thing that happened here. Are you seeing it? It was where we had this run up. That was why you saw this green buying. Are you getting it? And let me go back a bit. See your MACD now. When your MACD is entering the red zones, you see that from here, it was sold down. That was where we got this one. Then from there, we entered on that rise again. Now we entered this particular. Now look at the divergence now. This particular sell, it was larger than this little one. This was little, so there were no sellers in the market around this area. That was what gave rise to this morning star you're seeing there. And right now is turning green again, bullish. So if we can get large bullishness, that means this market will definitely do what? Come on, use here to turn support. they continue going. So our trades will be like, and now conclusively, how many trades are we going to have very soon? We're going to have a 1940 resistance turn support. Are you getting to 1980 400 pips to the upside? Are you getting from here right now? If we can break it above and retest, or I will enter some trades aggressively, but I will still enter some trades conservatively, little trades aggressively, then some trades conservatively if we're able to break above. But we must first of all do what? Break above this $1951 area. Then I know we have changed what character to the upside, then retest. So we'll have a lot of confluences coming up right now. That's why I'm even doing this video. I would have done it on the laptop, but as I'm seeing things unfolding, I will show you whatever is happening. But if we break above this, we are going back to 2060 from here, and 2060 from here to 1940. Let me see, I've seen 1940, 40 pips away. 1940 to 2060 is about 1940 to 2040 is 10,000 pips. Are you getting it? Then how many pips again for 20? What's it called? 2040 to 2020, 2060. That's about another 2,000 pips. That's about 12,000 pips incoming, or you can say 2,200 pips incoming, depending on how you calculate your trade. You understand? So this is what we have right now. We have the first trade to complete this ascent triangle, break and retest. Then we find resistance here, and we're unable to break down this 1940 support. That means that we'll get on that discount again to continue breaking to the upside, to continue to 2060. And when we get to 2060, I believe we'll get to 2,100 then. Are you getting it? So from where we are right now, we are anticipating nothing less than how many thousand pips? 1,400 pips or 40,000 pips. So is the upside about to resume? Now is the time to find out. So this is what I have for you. Any further thing that unfolds, I'll bring it to your notice. But trust me, these are how the market moves in phases. When we get a target, it gets to that target because this is a very volatile market. Gold is very volatile. There's liquidity in gold, and it's a very big market. That's why you see that it will do whatever it wants to do and continue going. So if you had been buying since 1920, are you getting the $21 area yesterday, or 1920? Is it 1921? Yes, we came back to 1921 where I told my community nobody should sell, because we don't know what might happen, and this will definitely become liquidity. Is there in my Telegram channel. Are you getting? And today right now you're saying that we're at 19. So there was something that happened yesterday on the 1 hourly chart. If you had not taken that entry, that means you've missed your entry from going back to $1940 area we are right now. And this was where I was explaining to everybody yesterday that don't sell. Are you getting? Because this whole area is liquidity. So if you want to sell, this is a minor support. You would have taken a sniper entry at 1924 and let that trade run, so that you will not become liquidity. This was what I was explaining yesterday, that don't make yourself become liquidity. Look at it. This is liquidity happening here. So everybody that has been shorting since yesterday now has been liquidated. That has been liquidated because of this thing that happened here. So there was a minor support here on Sunday night. I did that video. Don't sell. I guess somebody was asking me that it's 1930 support. 1930 entry valid. I say yes, but definitely if we don't change character back to the downside, it is not valid yet. Again, so we're supposed to sell from here, but thank God we know what happens in the market. That's why we didn't sell from there, and where we are right now, So the market is going back to 1940. If you know your levels and you know you have the right experience and the right knowledge, are you getting it? You won't even sell from the market yesterday until you change your character. Does what the market switches to the downside, and we were expecting that switch to happen, but since it didn't happen, I didn't take this trade, although because on the 4-hourly chart, my lower time frame does what tends to fail me. So I'm on my 4-hourly structure, looking for that 4-hourly structure to be able to do what take my trades, because any trade I might have missed, any money, any losses I might have made, definitely I'm going to get it from here, either here, I get going to 1980 back, or it breaks to the downside and I'll get it to 1850, 1850 back. I get it. So That's what I have for you guys, because anyone that breaks right now is either we're going to 1980 or it breaks, I find resistance there and break down and take us back to 1860, $1850 area I've been clamoring on. So anyone that happens, I want my, what's it called? My price action patterns, my chart patterns to give me the footprint I will use. So I am not in most market. I don't have to FOMO to fight whatever is happening here, even though the market, I told you that yesterday that they still have the capability of moving because it's still moving in this phase and which you are seeing right now. I get me. So how do you look at your market? How do you find your confluences before you take your trades? It's very important. Don't just wake up every day and say, oh, I'm seeing a support or a resistance there, let me take that trade. That's why you see that you're losing money much. Are you getting it? Out of 10 trades I take, at least I'm losing only 3. I think that's okay for me. Even though it's 4, even though it's 5, at least my risk to reward will even cancel no more than 10 trades. I can take only 2 trades and it will cover my 3 losses. So the remaining 5 are my major profits, and they are still good risk to reward. So risk and money management is important. Knowing what you're doing is important. Knowing when and how to trade is important also. Knowing that this is about 400 pips to either to the upside or to the downside is very important also. Or even finding a good resistance here and a candlestick pattern, a bearish candlestick or bearish engulfing, any of the bearish candlestick pattern happening here, and I'm seeing a rejection and this resistance, I might even take a trade from all the way from 1930 down all the way to 1850, because maybe I'll take this and take profit on this support trend line. You're getting it, support, this minor support, and what are you getting it, and take profit at this minor support of 1920 916 area. From here 90, maybe 1930 to 1916. From there it depends. That's, I'm just showing you internally what might happen if we find a resistance here. Definitely we might be selling all the way down to where $19.16 area, which is this minor support we had before, that broke to the upside, that even gave rise to these 200 pips that's done right now. Because this, we are not supposed to break above this yesterday. That was what even brought this bullish phase we're having right now. So how you look at your market, your levels, your area of values, your levels, your support and resistance coupled together to form your structures are what makes your market unique, and what makes your trading journey also unique. So wow, this was supposed to be a very, very short update, but I've spoken more than 10 or 15 minutes right now. So this is not going directly to Telegram, it's going directly to YouTube, because it's still a short video that can help you, know how you can drive the market. Go to USDJPY, you see everything I'm explaining right now, and you see it unfolding in the next coming weeks or next coming month, and you'll be surprised how we able to trend back all the waves back up to 2060. And yet from where we are right now, you know how many pips is that. So when I'm seeing those phases unfolding, the market switching to the upside, support, resistance, what is called support on resistance on support holding, then I know that we started the bullish phase that will take us back to 2060. I get from your right now, so I can even leave my trade to run, because I know the market is now in an uptrend. So switch to an uptrend for me with this. I get once the market does this, we'll switch to the upside. So coming test support, then I know we are having a rising channel. I get to continue this market to the upside. So that's just how the market works. Any other question, contact me on my Telegram channel, or if you have my direct contact me. I will answer your question. Take care and bye for now. Bye.